Yippee! Howdy ho! Here we go. We're gonna be doing some wood yard work today. Gonna drop some trees. Supposed to. And we're gonna do it with a mini excavator. And these oaks are big. Big old chumpies. Let's get this ready. Stumps will be here soon. And I better be ready, or sticks. Oh boy. My phone will be ringing. Let's go. Guys, ready? Let's get something done today. Maybe. Hopefully. You ever notice, in life general, when you try to be good, you always reach a lot of animosity. People get jelly, and they try to stop you. I don't know why. It'll come down to that people working together thing. I don't like doing that. I don't know why. I ain't figured that out. I don't want to exhaust my brain on it either. But don't let people throw rocks in your path. Nah. Sometimes you may have to remove people from your life. They hold you down like an anchor. People grow, people change. Some people grow faster than other people.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
But don't let people throw rocks at you. Not in your path. Don't throw them in front of yourself either. That's possible too. In your thoughts. It's all up here. It's all right there. That big cranium. The older you get, the bigger it gets. No matter what people, situations, things throw into your path, don't let it slow you down. Just gotta do a little side step. Or a little jumpy jump. You'll get it. You'll be alright. We're here to help humans, not hinder them. Help the humans. Think the aliens are coming. Yeah, that's what I think. Get ready. We're gonna drop some oaks. Oh, let's do it. There. Stick style. Sticks. It's coming. HW's in the wind. I keep hearing something in the woods. Hey, we're finally gonna do something today. Man, I gotta put a hat on. That glare, you guys would go like a solar eclipse coming off that thing. Holy moly. All right, Well, Stumpster's here. I got Mummy Chalk. Shag's doing the mechanic thing. I need a hat. Hey, can I borrow your hat? Yeah, go ahead. Thank you. Alright, we got the hat. Woo! There we go. That way better. So we're gonna try to drop some trees today with the old mini excavator. Stumps. You're gonna do it. You're gonna try it. I ain't ever did it before. We're gonna try. Give you guys front row seat. Dig all around it. Push it over. That little thing. Get nervous doing stuff like this all the time. I guess if you don't, you ain't human, right? Hopefully, everything go good. And just fall down. Then we'll start the wood yard. We'll get it going.
Is the double over there? That one's not too scary, is it?
Nope.
Just start digging behind it?
Yeah. Sounds good. Alright, so what we're discussing is you always gotta look up. They taught me that in scaffold a long time ago. Before you do anything, you gotta look up. See what's above you. See what kind of future problems could be there. That sucker's dead. Dead as a doornail. You bang that tree, that branch come down, take you right out. Quick. You don't even know what's going on. That thing, death from above. You always gotta look up. Remember that. It's the Booby Man. There he is.
What's that?
The one and only. The Mad Mummy Man. See, when you got Murphy's Law like me, you expect everything to take like 14 days. Man, this was like one thing after another thing after another thing. Woo! You gotta keep going though. Can't stop now. Mid-stroke. Well, the digging out didn't work. Push it over. Now I got a rope on there. That ain't working either. Need something bigger. Let's see what we can do. When all else fails, you gotta get a screaming demon to help. Oh boy.
Oh, okay. Hey there, everybody. Welcome to...
And went the rope. Well, I guess I'll wrap this rope up. Yippee! Well, he gave it all.
What did the rope say? I'm so afraid.
All right. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Can I toss this to you? Ready? Set. That's called a smooth operator.
You know what I mean? Then yeah, I'll start cutting it.
Okay, no problem. Then I'll pop the stump once we're done. I'll go that direction.
There you get the bigger saw. Well, that didn't work out as planned. Pretty used to that by now. It's all okay. Sometimes life just don't give it to you. You know how many times I thought I won the Powerball? Every time I buy a ticket. So, should be interesting. Again, like always, on the world's greatest fireworks show on YouTube. Maybe someday be on like a big tank. Yeah, I like it. Check this out. Well, gosh, there you have it. I think we dropped eight or nine trees. Stumps did his thing. Stumps stumped them. Look, oh God. We'll drop a couple more trees tomorrow for you guys. Check it out. Do a little something different. Kind of like brushed into that one. Wasn't supposed to go like that, but hey, it did. That's what happened. That's what it is. Spank me later. All right, homies. Till we meet again. Keep it Kirby.